There is a purpose. You see how I did that? You see? So today I'm starting with lighting. I don't know. That's that knowledge, bro. Okay. I know this video looks mad dark, but there is a purpose in the plan. You see, there is a purpose in the plan. And I'm going to tell you all about that purpose in just a moment. Because first, give it up for my subscriber of the day. Bam! You the bomb. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not already hit the subscribe button to join the family and join the fun. If you enjoy my content, go ahead and get that popping. It definitely helps my analytics. What's up, everybody? It's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with not a slay in terms of hair, but could be a slay, I guess. I don't know. So a lot of you guys ask me about what sort of camera I use, the lighting that I use, the microphones, editing. I'ma just do it piece by piece. I don't want the video to be 12 years long. So today I'm starting with lighting. Yeah, now you see why it's so dark, because it's no lighting. You see how I did that? You see? That's that knowledge, bruh. I'm going to be doing an unboxing today. Great video maker. I mean, hello. If you can't get good products from there, then I don't know what. Great video maker. The two products that I'm going to be reviewing today, just to see if it's worth the hype, the Gvm LED Bicolor Edge Video LED Soft Light 10-inch, and then the Gvm Rgb20W on camera RGB LED video light with Bluetooth app control. I wanted to aim for things that I thought were pretty beginner friendly. So I just want to try these products and see if we can improve upon this lighting. Let's unbox. of as far as the lighting features of each of these products, man, right now the only thing that I'm using is the Gvm Bicolor Edge Video LED Soft Light. It can give you a really warm feel, or it can give you like a more cool white, cooler side feel, whichever you're going for your video. This light is $119. It has a connector that you connect to, you know, a countertop or a table or a desk. So it does not come with a stand. That would have been really great if it came with its own stand, but it does come with the capabilities to be attached to something. If you go on the website, there is an option to purchase a stand. They have the 10-inch and they also have the 15-inch, which is obviously bigger than the 10-inch. If you are doing like beauty vlogs, this is going to be wonderful for you. You also have the option of controlling the light via your smartphone, which is dope. So when you purchase this, in the box you'll get the desktop light stand, you get the power adapter and a cable, you get a carrying case. They make it easy for you to travel with this equipment, and you have a 1-year warranty. So that's cool. That's cool. So either they'll fix it or they're gonna do something. And after 1 year, honey, you've been using it. So just calm down a little bit. Now to the other light. This is the Gvm Rgb20W on camera RGB LED video light with Bluetooth app capabilities. Y'all, this light is so dope. Oh my gosh, so many cool features. This light goes for $109 on Amazon. Just like the previous light, it is dimmable. You can change between the cooler settings and the warmer settings, so you do have those capabilities, and the bright is super bright. It's powered by adapter or battery. The light is great, wonderful for videography, photography. It's so compact, you can travel with it. So it's definitely very beneficial for those who travel, for those who set up and break down each time that they create content. It also has scene lighting. Like if you're doing something and you need specific lighting, like for instance, you have police car lighting, candle light, TV, bad light bulb, party, disco, and paparazzi. Those are really, really neat. Like I was like, oh snap. That is one of my favorite parts about this particular light. You get so much. These options are great, you guys. Gvm, amazing, amazing. I thought it would be, because great video maker, kind of says it all. So let me know if you have any questions, you guys. I'm gonna play with these some more. These are great lights and I'm happy about that. Peace, love, and light.